How to add music to Facebook profile using Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on your profile name. After this, simply tap on the edit profile option. As you tap on edit profile, drag it to the very end, and here you can select the option of edit your about info. Select on edit your about info, and as you tap on edit your about info, scroll down and here you can see the option of music. So tap on add music, and as you tap on add music, you'll be able to see the different music options. So let's select on any music that is more convenient and that more describes you. So I'm gonna select on one of this music, and as we do that, you can just go back, tap on three dotted lines and then tap on pin to profile. Then you can just go back and there you go. You have added music to Facebook profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.